Hello students, welcome to Easy Science YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to Easy Science YouTube channel and click the bell icon. You will never miss an update from Easy Science YouTube channel. Let's move on to the class today. Right, yesterday we have discussed about what are present inside the mouth. Teeth are present and tongue is present, and we have discussed about the type of dentition we have, what different kinds of teeth are present. That was discussed in yesterday's class. In today's class we will discuss about the structure of the teeth. Tooth. So this is a singular word, tooth. So the tooth is divided into three parts, children. One is crown, second one is neck, and the third one is root. Crown is considered to be the exposed part of tooth. Exposed part of the tooth. And neck is known to be the middle part, and root is known to be the innermost part of the tooth. Now you know, yesterday we have discussed that our teeth are present in the sockets of jawbone, right? This is the structure, children. Root is the structure which is present in the socket of jawbone. That's why our teeth is known as thecodont. This is because of root only, children. Right. Now, the teeth is covered by our tooth is covered by a membrane called dentine. Tooth, all the parts like the crown, neck and the root are covered by a membrane called dentine. And it is secreted by, this membrane was secreted by odontoblasts. The odontoblasts are mesodermal in origin. Odontoblasts are mesodermal in origin. Right. Now I said dentine was present on crown, neck and root. Right. The dentine of the crown. The dentine of the crown is covered by another membrane known as enamel. Enamel was secreted by amyloblasts. And amyloblasts are ectodermal in origin. And here most important point is there, children. Enamel is known to be the hardest substance. It is known to be the hardest substance of our body. Now, a cavity was present inside the tooth. There is a cavity present inside the tooth. The cavity which is present, inside the tooth. The cavity which is present inside the tooth is known as what, children? It is pulp cavity. What is the cavity present inside the tooth? It is known as pulp cavity. What is present inside the pulp? Inside the pulp cavity we have pulp is present inside the pulp cavity. And what is present inside this pulp? Three structures are present inside the pulp, children. They were odontoblasts. Second one is nerves are present. Third one is blood vessels. are present inside the pulp. Right. Now, the innermost part of the tooth is known as root. Right. And I already discussed that root is a structure which is attached or which is present in the socket of the jawbone. Root always present in the socket of jawbone. Right. Now, the dentine of the root is covered by another membrane called cementum. Yes. Now, we said that the root is present in the socket of the jawbone. How the root is attached to the socket of the jawbone? The root is attached to the socket of jawbone. How it gets attached to the socket of jawbone? By cementum and another membrane also, children, that is periodontal membrane. So with the help of these two membranes, the root was attached to the socket of the jawbone. So this is the structure of the tooth. The neck and the root are covered by gums, children. Right. Now, this is about the structure of the tooth. Now, let's discuss about the structure of the tongue. What is the structure of the tongue? Let's discuss in today's class. Yes. Structure of tongue. So first of all, what is a tongue? Let's discuss first what is a tongue. Right. Tongue is a freely movable muscular. So this is important. Sense organ. So tongue is one of the sense organ in our body. It is attached to the oral cavity. Tongue is attached to oral cavity. How it gets attached to the oral cavity? By, see how this takes place. By the folds of the tissue. Folds of the tissue. What these folds of the tissue, what we call these folds? These folds are known as frenulum. Sorry, it's frenulum. So tongue was attached to the oral cavity by frenulum. And what is present on the surface of the tongue, children? What is present actually on the surface of the tongue? And why the tongue is important during the process of digestion? On the surface of the tongue, we find papillae. These papillae contains taste buds. What is the function of this taste buds? Taste buds can identify the taste of the food. How many taste buds are present on the papillae? It's nearly 10,000 taste buds are present on the surface of the tongue on the papillae. Right. Only one papillae is present? No. We have 4 different kinds of papillae. How many papillae are present, children? There were 4 different kinds of papillae are present. So what are the 4 different kinds of papillae? One is fungiform. Second one is filiform. Third one is circumvallate. And fourth one is known as foliate papillae. So what is the function of these? Where they were present. Function we already identified. The taste buds are present in this papillae, which can identify the taste of the food. Fungiform was present at the tip of the tongue. Filiform was present on the surface of the tongue. Middle surface of the tongue. It's middle. And circumvallate was present at the base of the tongue, and foliate papillae was present on the lateral sides of the tongue. So what is the function of the tongue? One is it helps in proper mixing of the food with saliva. It helps in proper mixing of the food with saliva. And next one, we know that it contains taste buds, right? So they can help in identifying the taste of the food. And the third one is tongue helps in proper swallowing of the food. And fourth one, it also helps in speaking. And what is the function of the teeth? Teeth helps in cutting and crushing of the food, and the tongue helps in proper mixing of the food with saliva. So this will happen inside the mouth. Like what happens inside the tongue and what happens inside the teeth. Like what is the function of the teeth and tongue which are present inside the mouth, we have discussed. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to Easy Science YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends and ask them to subscribe. Please click on the bell icon. You will never miss an update from Easy Science YouTube channel. Thank you.